If you're looking to connect WebinarJam or EverWebinar with MailerLite and automate your email marketing, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the integration process, and by the end, you'll be able to set up everything with ease. Stick around, because there's an exclusive offer at the end that could save you time and money on this powerful software. Now, before we dive into the integration, let's quickly cover what each platform does. WebinarJam and EverWebinar are two of the most popular webinar platforms designed to help you run live or automated webinars, while MailerLite is an email marketing tool that lets you automate your campaigns, build newsletters, and segment your email lists. When you connect these, you can streamline the process of registering attendees, follow-ups, and more, all in one smooth flow. Next thing, let's jump straight into how you connect WebinarJam or EverWebinar with MailerLite. First, you need to go into your WebinarJam or EverWebinar account, depending on which one you're using. From there, head over to the Integrations section. This is where you'll find all the third-party integrations available, including MailerLite. Once you're in the Integration section, look for MailerLite and click to connect. You'll be prompted to enter your MailerLite API key, which you can easily grab from your MailerLite account by going to Account Settings and then API Keys. Just copy that key and paste it into the integration page in WebinarJam or EverWebinar. This will link your accounts and allow data to flow seamlessly between the platforms. The next thing to consider is how to use this integration for registration forms. With MailerLite connected, you'll be able to automatically send webinar registration details to your MailerLite list. This means when someone registers for your webinar, they'll instantly be added to your email list in MailerLite. You can create segments based on the webinar they signed up for, ensuring your email marketing is highly targeted and relevant. Moving forward, let's talk about follow-ups. One of the biggest benefits of this integration is that after your webinar, you can set up automated follow-up emails in MailerLite. Whether you want to send them a thank you email, a recording of the webinar, or special offers, you can set it all up ahead of time. This automation frees up your time while ensuring your attendees stay engaged with your content. The fourth thing you'll want to do is set up tags in MailerLite. This is an important step for keeping track of who signed up for which webinar or session. Tags help you manage your audience effectively, allowing you to send highly relevant emails based on their behavior. For example, you can tag people who attended the webinar and those who didn't, giving you an opportunity to send personalized follow-ups. Finally, let's wrap it up. Once the integration is set up, you're ready to start sending webinars and marketing emails seamlessly. You'll save time, increase engagement, and enhance the user experience for both you and your audience. And remember, if you're new to this software, there's an exclusive offer waiting for you. You can access a free trial of WebinarJam or EverWebinar by clicking the first link below and get bonus features to make your setup even easier. Don't miss out. Now, go ahead, try out the integration, and see how simple it is to get started with MailerLite for your webinars.